There's ice cream on your elbow. Look at that.
Look, forehead. I see it right there.
Grayson, there's ice cream on your elbow though. Get the ice cream down there. Look. Oh, right there. Look it. It's right, baby. Look, right there. Can you lick it? No, get the one on your ice cream. I mean on your elbow. There's some on your elbow. Get it. No, on your elbow.
He doesn't want to. Jackie.
Is that good ice cream? What kind of ice cream is it?
M&M.
M&M. Good ice cream?
M&M.
You were trying to lick ice cream off your elbow. Dude, it's right there. Look, right? Lick it.
You can't see it. It's like right here.
Get the ice cream off your elbow.
Two.
Look, you got a Jimmy on your ice cream.
Two.
Look, you have a piece of candy on your elbow. Look, right there. See it? Get it. No, lick it. Lick it. Look, there's ice cream right there.
No.
He won't fall for it. He was so trying to lick. Grayson, I love you.
Hey, how are you?
I love you.
How are you?
I love you.
How are you?
I love you.
How are you? Daddy.
Kitty kitty.
How are you, Daddy?
Kitty kitty. I
How
love
are you,
you.
Daddy?
No, I love you.
How are you more? How are you this much?
Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot.
How what?
All right, say bye. Say bye, McCannon. Wait, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Candy.